Once a month, amateurs and professionals congregate in a little town in part of West Virginia you don't realize it's actually West Virginia. All for an event simply known as Drift Nirvana.
S14 that I was like, dang. Holy, he is killing it, dude. Right sideways. Hey, look, YouTubers. Is it a YouTube event if there aren't YouTubers?
What's up? What up, dude?
What's good, bro?
Not much.
What's good, bro? I have to reach up. Holy crap. It's okay. Here's the reason why I love coming to these events so much. Not just for the cool car, like shenanigans happening on the track. It's a mini car meet down here. Just look at this. Look at these. Look at this lineup. It's freaking great. Even a police car from God knows where. Hey, sounds like our car. Hey. Ran into Gears and Gasoline up here at the regular course. The Ford and the Evo are out, but apparently something happened with the Ford. And sounds like a head gasket blew. Not sure. Oh well. We'll find out in a minute. I gotta see this Evo though. It's a Koenig wheels. Proper tuner car.
Just got them for this track though.
Did you really? I'm still waiting for mine. But I gotta say, being able to chat and chill with Gears and Gasoline again this year, it's kind of a cool feeling. I'd rather not make our meetings once a year, but you know. It's kind of funny though, how, I guess I'll call him Asian Ben, because he even calls himself that, how his Evo is almost completely stock. But then my car, which is heavily modified, is running the same power as he is. I just thought it was interesting. 310 wheel. It's like a thing, man. I should make my plate say that now. RKA 310. Things are wrapping up here at Drift Nirvana. It just ended, so people are tearing things down, headed out. We're gonna go get some hibachi, get some good food, good eats. Peoples are packing things up. Will's gonna start the bike. Chris already had to leave. He had to go see his family. There's some dope rides still here though. At 240. Woo. I don't know if he can go much lower than that and keep on drifting. But otherwise, thanks everybody for watching, for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed. We seriously want to come out here with our own car someday, because this would be, oh, this would be so good, so good. Whether it's the HPD stuff on the other track or out here doing Evo things, but drifting while doing those Evo things, it's hard to say. Either way, God bless y'all. We'll see you next time. Peace.